Crystal Flush warns, lakes may trigger nail fungus, why a 90-day treatment matters. As summer adventures lead more people into lakes and rivers, Crystal Flush, a leading antifungal brand, is raising awareness about a hidden seasonal danger, toenail fungus. Natural bodies of water often harbor fungi that penetrate micro cracks in the skin and nails, especially among adults over 50, who are more susceptible to infections. Crystal Flush recommends a proactive approach using its clinical foot repair and antifungal serum to restore hydration, seal skin entry points, and fight off fungal growth before it spreads. Crystal Flush emphasizes that treating nail fungus isn't a quick fix. Their 90-day protocol is essential for giving nails the time to fully regrow and stay clear of reinfection. Just like skincare routines, consistent foot care, especially post-swim, is critical. The brand's dual-action solution helps maintain healthy feet all summer long and reduces the risk of recurring infections triggered by contaminated water.